Hi there, mga katarum, mga katalim. Do you want to watch another unboxing slash unpacking video here at the Hagbayon channel? You know that we are into outdoors and we are also into blades and tools, things we use for prepping and for bushcraft. Okay, what are we going to expect in this package? This is actually a pocket knife, just like this one, okay, which is a Smith and Wesson border guard. This is also a Smith and Wesson pocket knife. Just got this today from my blade dealer over there at Tondo, Manila. So let's begin. First, we use the serration of my border guard pocket knife so that it could open the package quite faster. It's got to be careful because the serration is, you know, kind of dangerous. Okay, it's now an unboxing video officially. So from unpacking to unboxing. So the box is made of kind of a cardboard or something, or carton. Let's open from this side. Just gotta be careful. Okay, we're inside. We already sanitized the outside part, and after this I will sanitize my hands and the item itself. Okay, we're in. There is a bubble wrap, nicely done. So thank you to my blade dealer, my Tokayo Jason. Okay, from Tondo. Let's open this. Let's pack from here. Alright. Alright, really cool, huh? Nice packaging. Okay. We'll now open the box. The box is really nice. Alright, check this out. Another bubble wrap. Cool, huh? Right, we're in, and we got the knife right now. There. Another rescue knife. So the handle is rubberized. I can feel it, and from the outside we can already see that it is indeed Smith and Wesson. You see, this may not be automatic. Alright, yeah, it locks into place. Serration and tanto tip, just like this one. So this is Smith and Wesson ExtremeOps. This one is a border guard. This one is B038. Go there. Go to the side. For the meantime, they are brother blades actually. So go to the side and make way for your younger brother. So here you can actually put some blade beads with Yeah. This isn't really automatic. There's a line lock. There. Okay, let's open it again. Alright, there's this nice clip. Not so tight, unlike this one. This one is really tight. Although I rarely use the clip of my pocket knife. This one is with a clip. Nice. And blade is around 4 inches. Okay, same with this one. Also with my border guard, made with my border guard 10S. So they're just practically of the same size. Let's look at them side by side. Yeah, there. This one, the old one, has glass breaker. There. This one only serration. As we said, we like to have our pocket knives complete with serration, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter. But for this one, I opted to just order this even without the glass breaker and the seatbelt cutter. Right, around 4 inches serration. Let's look at the spine. The new blade, the ExtremeOps, seems to have a thicker spine rather than this one, the border guard. They both have line locks. Locks pretty well, like this one, like the old one. I like the rubberized grip. The old one doesn't have rubberized grip, but really nice blade as well. The main feature, I guess, is the rubberized grip. So nice to hold. I'm not sure if it's sharp enough though. As it is, it doesn't have to be really that sharp anyway. So yeah, it's sharp as it is. I haven't sharpened this yet. So there. Serration, of course, will help in cutting rough edges like this one. See. Nice thing to carry when you're going outdoors or going hiking or camping. And the color is black, so not so visible at night or in the dark. Cool. Another Smith and Wesson knife. Alright, do you also have this particular knife? If yes, kindly post your comments about the knife in the comment section, and let's have a chat about it. Kudos to Jason, my tokayo, my blade dealer, for the really nice packaging. Cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, Hagbayon here, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. This video has been brought to you by Flor de Sea, Inupa Resort, and the Minasbad shop. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. See you later.